Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious chocolate pudding using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and half a cup of granulated sugar. Also, have 2 cups of whole milk ready. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, which helps thicken our pudding, and just a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. In a medium saucepan, combine your cocoa powder, sugar, cornstarch, and salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly until there are no lumps. Next, pour in about a 1/4 cup of your milk and whisk vigorously to create a smooth paste. This step is crucial for preventing lumps later. Once the paste is smooth, slowly add the remaining 1 3/4 cups of milk, whisking continuously until everything is well combined. It's time to cook our pudding. Place your saucepan over medium heat. You must stir constantly to prevent the bottom from scorching and to ensure even cooking. The mixture will gradually thicken. Once it reaches a gentle boil, continue stirring for 1 full minute. This ensures the cornstarch fully activates. Then, remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic, comforting flavor. Almost there, carefully pour your warm chocolate pudding into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. To prevent a skin from forming on top, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pudding. Now, refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until it's perfectly chilled and set. This makes it wonderfully creamy. Once firm, it's ready to enjoy. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.